Alright, so I got this toy from this Kinder Joy thing I ate. It was actually really good for me eating it the first time. It was a wrap. And I got this toy. It's like this or something. It's like knockoff Beyblades. And alright, so every time it that's what you get for recording on your phone. Alright, but seriously, it does not, this handle does not want to stick to this thing. It's hard to do it one-handed, so I need to try something. Alright, this is hard. Alright, we just do that. We insert it in the thing. Nope. See? This is not how, this shouldn't even be considered a toy, man. It's just, it's like a Beyblade thing, I don't know. So when you do it, see, it doesn't even want to stay. Damn. Beyblading is so hard with one hand. Alright. And now we shall do it. The mini Beyblade rip-off thing. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, dang. Alright, you see my fan attempt? And this is what it's supposed to do, I don't know. Find the spin top. I found it. Alright.